I'm gonna go over my favorite tools that you need after a spine surgery. I had a hemilaminectomy and microdiscectomy. My name is Dr. Eric Broadworth. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. And this is what I found is super helpful for getting around after surgery. So after surgery, I can't bend, lift, or twist, which can make life a little more difficult than sometimes you think about. So one of the top things that I recommend that I don't have with me right now, I'll make a separate video on how to install it, but is a raised toilet seat. Super important to help you get down because that's one of the first things I noticed is that when I went to go to the bathroom, trying to get down low was pretty difficult and painful. So the raised toilet seat really helped me with that, so I didn't have to get down super low and bend through my back, because when we do that squatting motion, you do get some flexion and it can be pretty tough to get up and down. So if you don't have a raised toilet seat and you're gonna have surgery, make sure you get one. Have that set up before you even come home is what I would recommend. Number two of my top things that I would recommend would be probably this reacher and grabber thing. So one thing, again, since you can't bend or lift or twist, if you drop something, it becomes very difficult to get it off the ground, and I have to yell for my wife or someone to pick it up for me. So for example, my phone, I drop that on the ground and I can't reach it and get to it. So I did get pretty good for a while of trying to pick things up with my toes, but there's only so many things that you can pick up with your toes. So I recommend get one of these reachers or grabbers. I'll put the link to this one in the comments or in the description section, but this I got off Amazon pretty cheap. It was like $9 and it's really lightweight. It says it was made for the elderly, but really anyone can use it. So, and if you get really annoyed with your significant other or family, you can poke them with it and annoy them all day and give you something to do and entertain yourself. The other thing, which should be pretty obvious, this third thing, is an ice pack. So this is great for just if you're feeling more sore and you need some pain relief, throwing some ice on it can always help. I got this from the hospital, and it's got some dog hair on it, so I apologize for that. I have dogs. But one of the things I recommend with the ice pack that I love about this one that they gave me from the hospital, but I also have another one that I ordered on Amazon, is make sure if you had back surgery or even if you had shoulder surgery, because I went through that as well, make sure it straps to you, just like this. Makes it really easy so I can get up and move around, and I got that ice pack just securely right on me. So that has been really nice. And I also had shoulder surgery a while ago, so having one of those that straps over your shoulders and you don't have to just lay with it, and if you move any which way it's gonna fall off, is super important. So really love the straps with the ice pack. Those are the three things that I recommend that you get tools for around the house after a back surgery. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below.